image processor, EVO captures every stunning moment at 60 frames per second, up to 100 megabits per second. Precision glass optics and a 94-degree field of view provide sharp, clear images like this. Computer vision is the next evolution of obstacle avoidance. Binocular vision sensors on the front of EVO and 2 on the bottom help EVO create a 3D world and recognize its surroundings. These sensors combined with the camera allow EVO to track and recognize its subject while still avoiding obstacles in its path. EVO still has you covered when flying in reverse with rear-facing IR obstacle avoidance. EVO keeps up with fast-moving subjects and records action like never before. An intuitive controller that is easily mastered.
Bright 5.5-inch monitor that's more than twice as bright as most tablets. Inside is DJI LightBridge technology. It automatically detects interference and switches from 2.4 to 5.8 gigahertz transmission at takeoff, cutting through the noise for more reliability.
The built-in monitor on the Phantom 4 Pro is so bright. I'm actually able to see in direct sunlight, and that's really allowing me to compose my shot and get what I really want to capture.
Active Track has now been expanded with 3 new intelligent flight modes. Profile tracks your subject horizontally from any side. Spotlight locks the camera on a subject while you fly in almost
Mavic 2 Enterprise has you covered, with expansive accessories that let you direct team members and operate in more scenarios than ever before.
This is a Mesa Fire and Medical Department. Remain calm, help is on the way.
There's been a break-in on the Lower East Side.
The Mavic 2 Enterprise is incredibly intuitive to fly right from your first flight. Precise controls and additional safety features make even the newest pilot feel like a seasoned professional. Obstacle sensors keep safety in mind without sacrificing its enhanced power. This is a tool for any operation with password protection securing critical data and GPS timestamping for identifying precise location and time information at a moment's notice. New tools demand new infrastructure, so we've packed the Mavic 2 Enterprise with the latest tech to update pilots on its surroundings